called me and you. I dreamed it often as if on cue. And each day when the dream appeared, a small part always tinged with fear, I held on tight because I knew the history of dreams. I held on tight because I knew the history of dreams. I dreamed a dream called me and you. A part of me I barely knew. And you would stand a beam of light, your wings of gold prepared for flight. I held on tight because I knew the history of dreams. I held on tight because I knew the history of dreams. And while it somehow seems unjust, I know that most dreams turn to dust. I wish it wasn't, but it's true. I have to say goodbye to this dream called me and you. The dream was filled with sunlight, flowers, magic, laughter, oceans, families, tears. And there was longing, distance, color, forest, mountains, castles, fears, endless rivers, children, love. That's what my dream was made of. I dreamed a dream called me and you. I lived it as if the dream were true. And every day when I woke up, I drank from my half-empty cup. I took my time because I knew the history of dreams. I drank it all because I knew the history of dreams. Dreams, as far as I can tell, living heaven or in hell, no middle ground it seems. At least that's my history. Dreams, dreams, you hope they show the way. I'll lead your life astray, float down life's gentle streams. That's the mystery of dreams. Love, that's what my dream's made of. Dreamed a dream called me and you. I dreamed as often as if on cue. And as I traveled through the day, my dream would all but fade away. But I held tight because I knew the history of dreams. I held on tight because I knew the history of dreams. And while it somehow seems unjust, I know that dreams turn to dust. I wish it wasn't, but it's true. I have to say goodbye to this dream called me and you. I have to say goodbye to this dream called me and you.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.